So we're out in the park, my back garden. The grass is wet from the watering, not from the rain, because there is no rain here in Dubai. He is burning some rubber there. So guys, how is my first little 3S car? My first Losi, and it feels super dialed. The steering's really nice. It does feel a bit cumbersome with this heavy motor in it, so I think it's definitely going to benefit from a higher kV motor. I just speed tested it, got 27, not really totally flat out. I think I'm running a 14-tooth pinion. The punch is set right down on this ESC, it's all just standard. It's a 150 BL. So the ESC is a quick run 150 BL. Motor is a 2000 kV, sorry 2200 kV red tape motor that I got for $25 off eBay, so I just threw it in here. Handle's super nice. I've got a radio link receiver on it. Obviously I've got my bash body on here. I do have a gyro which is switched off at the moment. So it feels a bit cumbersome with this motor. I think it would benefit from a lighter system. Running on 3S, bed and lipo. As I say, punch is turned down. I didn't want to go overkill, so I'm just doing a shakedown run. Definitely I can turn up the punch, try it out again. But it's nice, controllable. Feels like I've built the kit pretty well, and I'm impressed with myself. Nothing's fallen apart yet. Definitely I'm going to chop out that body a bit more. It hasn't fouled yet, but if I start to bash it a bit harder, I think it will. Seems to be burning a bit of rubber there at the back. Okay, no tuning has been done. All I've done is really stiffened up the shocks to take care of this heavier motor, to try and increase the ride height a little bit because we're running pretty low. I don't particularly want to jump it. You know how it goes. I'm so used to 6S cars, but this feels, it's going to feel underpowered, just slower, you know, but nice to control, nice scale. Responds well to being thrown around a little bit. Hooligan. I'm really impressed with those, the balance of it. You throw the tail end around in it. A little bit. Far so good. No breakages. Not rolled it over as well. Didn't really need to. I don't know if I need the back body. So no gyro. Let's try with just a little tiny touch of gyro. I'm going to go back and just to be on the safe side, just trim that body a bit more. With the suspension load, it's definitely getting very close. And the braking and turning, sure. Yeah. There's smoke in the back tires, so. Definitely smoking in that tyre. It's got plenty of torque. Final thoughts on my little shakedown run. What a little awesome little shot. I kind of turned my nose up at smaller 3S cars. But this definitely has its place and it is great fun. Handling wise, the green, I guess as you'd expect from a race platform. That's a little bit of gyro, let's go gyro it out. So guys, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, it's free. Smash the like. Help this content to get shared with more like-minded people. Hi. How are you? Thanks.
I'm going to the water park.
Going to the water park?
There is a water park. Oh, that's nice.
I just built it. It's a ring. Okay, donuts outside my building.